Hey everyone, it's Laura Messiah, and today I wanted to share with you a little quarantine style tip that's gonna help keep you safe. So as you've probably heard, now the CDC wants everybody wearing masks. If you go out in public, you need to be wearing a mask. So they announced that in California 2 days ago, and I think they announced it to everybody yesterday. And you probably don't have a mask. I don't have a mask. So I'm making a mask. My mom actually sent me this little tutorial, so I thought that I would share it with you. It's super easy. Only thing you need is 1 bandana and 2 hair ties. These are slip like mini scrunchies, but really like any old hair tie would do. These are just the only ones that I have. So you want to take your bandana, I'm like, what is this called? Bandana, and you want to fold it to the shape, to the size that will just cover your mouth. So like I'm folding mine in half, and then I'm folding mine in half again, which that is still like a little bit too big. So I'm just folding down the next fold kind of in half. So you can measure it against your nose and mouth. Yep, that looks pretty good. So then you want to take your hair ties and put them on either end of your folded bandana, like so, right? Here, here. Now you want to take the bandana and again, fold it. So check it out. It's all folded. We have a tie on each side. Now to keep this more secure, you want to take this piece and loop it through this piece, like so. Looped through, okay? So this is going to be the inside of your mask. Now let me try to gracefully put this on. So here we go. Loop, loop. You got a mask.